So I was saying you can have all the children inside here, or what you want. All right, guys. And maybe I'm just going to change some of the colors, here. Maybe I'm going to give it indigo here. Okay, this other one I'm going to give it maybe some violet. Weird colors, right? Don't want these colors in your application. Violet. Okay, the other one I'm going to give it one of my favorite guys. I love crimson. Okay, I'm adding for crimson. So for this one I'm going to change it to crimson. Okay, just love how it looks like. Okay, seems that I didn't change the right one, so no problem, just going to change it here. So all that is changed, so we can preview so that we may see. So you can see this is the background, this is the main parent. Okay, so this yellow part, it is this if I can reduce this, it is this parent pane here. Remember, it is the one that it has the yellow color, right? You can change this. Now this one is the first one. You can see it's that one that has the crimson. You can see the second one, you can see the third one. That's it. Okay, so this is how you use an accordion in your application. All right, and remember, an accordion is just it's a component that is able to, let me use shelf, guys, forgive me, let me use shelf, other components. And in Javafx, the shelf comments are, you know, they are titled panes. All right, now titled pane is a pane, it's a normal pane. Okay, it's a normal pane but has a title at the top. All right, if I was to delete this accordion here, okay, accordion there, right, and if I was to type here a titled pane, right, okay, that is a titled pane, right? You can say my titled pane. This is the this is just a okay, we are also going to see how we can use this in code. So this is just the components that are contained in the Javafx titled pane. Okay, I'm also going to show you how you can be able to use this titled pane to create really nice UI. Okay, in the application. Remember, I really first of all want to explain all these UIs so that when we go to development, guys, you are able to understand where we are going to create very cool applications. Okay, once you understand this, we are really going to be creating cool applications, and we are going to create anything that you guys may require, right? So I hope I'm clear about that, right? Then we can even try to see the difference between the the difference between the titled pane and the, okay, maybe I should increase my scene size here, right, like that. I'll just to see the difference between the empty and the titled pane. Okay, but all of them here, you can edit them here and you can have the title there. Basically, I think it's the same thing. See, only that this one does not have the hide feature, click to hide, right? So like I said, all these guys, we are going to learn about all these, and we are going to understand what they are and what they do. Okay, so I think I've explained about that. I think I should also now explain one of the most very, very important containers. It's called the border pane. And for the border pane, I really want to delete everything here, so I'm also going to delete this anchor pane so that we have the border pane as the root parent. Now the border pane, it has 5 sections, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it has a top section, it has a down section, it has a bottom section, it has the top just the right, center, and all that. You can see them here, guys. And an example of a border pane, it is this view that we are looking at here. This is a border pane. Okay, the view that has been used in this thing, it's a border pane, right? We have the but before let me first show you what I'm saying, guys. Okay, I think I'm going to maybe increase the size of this a little bit. That is okay. And now increase the size of this a little bit. Is it okay to increase the top side? Okay, preview scene. Oh, it's okay. Let me just, okay, scene size. Let me put it at 680 by that. That is a bit better. Okay. So I'm going to have some children pen, for example, pen. So I'm going to press it here at the top. I'm going to leave this at that color, okay, or I should just give it white, right? White, like that. It's white. It's now integrating free. I'm going to have another pen here, and this one I'm going to give it the color of yellow. Guys, please don't worry about these colors. The important thing is to understand what we are doing here. Yellow. So I'm going to take another anchor pen inside here. Going to be here. I'm going to give it a color of fixed color of gray. Okay, gray. All right. I'm going to have another pen here, right? And I'm going to, minimize it a bit. And I'm going to give it a color of indigo. Okay, indigo like that. And then I'm going to have another color down here, so here the bottom, and I'm going to call it violet, right? Violet like that. So guys, this is a border pin. You can now see all the 5 sections. All right, you can see all the 5 sections. You can see this is the top